Hey guys, we're here, PortCredit Legion on the PortCredit River. Paddle for the people today. It's happening today, right now. We are live. This is where the fun is, raising money for families in need within our community. If you missed out, don't worry. You can come back next year and join the Paddle for the People. This is a great fun event right here in the PortCredit Legion on the river. We're having fun and we're raising money for families in need. PortCredit!
Sunrise on the river sky, boats set sail, we're flying high. Community with every stride, for the kids we're side by side. Volunteers with hearts of gold, stories shared and dreams retold. Together we are brave and bold, paddle for the young and old. Paddle for people, for every smile. Credit River dreams that reach a mile. Hope and laughter here to stay. Lakeshore hearts light up the day. Gathered, cheers they blend, from the start line to the end. Every splash another friend, strength and kind hearts we defend. Beneath the sun we stand as one, with each stroke the race begun. Lakeshore love, it's never done. With every race, new hope has spun.